Baby's first foods. Here we go. What do you think, Air Bear? I don't know what to do with the spoon. I'm gonna blow bubbles with it. What do you think? Yeah? Tasty? Give me the whole thing, Ma. Huh. What do you think? Can you get it in your mouth? Can you get it in your mouth? You're not getting a whole lot in there, are you?
You swallow? Nope. You like it. It's not staying in. Good girl.
You smiling for the camera? You swallow? Ooh.
You like the spoon. That's good. That's a good start. Oh.
Just give me the bowl. This is gonna be a fun process, huh?
Honey.
Aaron.
Good girl.
Yummy!
Good girl. Okay, ready?
You gonna get it in your mouth? You gonna get it in your mouth?
Yummy.
You are a mess.
Yummy.
Okay.
Your daddy a smile?
Hey, Bear. Hi. Yay! All right.